Today's topic is the crime of aggravated assault on a police officer, what the law is in Arizona, and what officers should know when considering charges for criminal suspects. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with AsCops in Arizona. Before I get into the heart of this video, know that this video scope is limited. I'm only going to focus on certain types of assault and aggravated assault charges. But there are many other situations that exist in the Arizona Criminal Code. So, with that said, I'll first discuss the definition of simple assault in Arizona. Simple assault is defined in ARS section 13-1203A. A person commits assault by either 1, intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly causing any physical injury to another person, or 2, intentionally placing another person in reasonable apprehension of imminent physical injury, or 3, knowingly touching another person with the intent to injure, insult, or provoke such person. But if a person commits the assault knowing or having reason to know that the victim is a peace officer, that assault is automatically aggravated assault. If the assault on a peace officer doesn't result in an injury, the aggravated assault is classified as a Class 5 felony. But if it results in an injury to the peace officer, it's a Class 4 felony. If the aggravated assault results in serious physical injury to the peace officer, then it's a Class 2 felony. So now that you know the law related to aggravated assault on a peace officer, let me give you some factors to consider if you're an officer who's been assaulted. The law is written to protect officers from being pushed, punched, or even spit on while officers are doing their jobs. Suspects who engage in that type of conduct, knowing that the person that they are assaulting is a peace officer, are committing a felony. In Arizona, if a person is injured while they are attempting to committing, or fleeing from the commission of a felony, then there may be specific defenses available to help prevent civil liability for the officer under state law. And the commission of a felony is a factor that's considered as part of the Graham versus Connor analysis for uses of force. So now, here's a real-life application. If a suspect commits aggravated assault against an officer, and the officer uses force in response to either stop the assault or to arrest the suspect, if the suspect is convicted of aggravated assault, this can assist the officer in defending against a civil claim, a lawsuit, for excessive force. Additionally, the prosecutors that I've talked to are virtually unanimous in the belief that officers should be willing to submit aggravated assault charges when the elements exist, as officers should not feel forced to accept being assaulted as part of their duties as a law enforcement officer, even if the assault doesn't result in injuries to the officer. So to recap, if you're a police officer and you're pushed, hit, or spit on at work, even if you aren't injured, you should consider submitting aggravated assault charges, especially if you needed to use force to detain the suspect. Arizona law is there to protect you, so if the elements exist, use them. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Serbalik. Stay safe out there. If you're interested in watching another relevant video, click up here. And if you'd like to subscribe to this channel, click down here. And for notifications, don't forget to hit the bell button so that you're made aware of when new videos are uploaded. Videos are posted every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time.